Rob McEwen, first Beaver Creek, and now New York City.
Times Square.
Yeah, and how exciting. Just a few seconds ago, your image was behind us on this giant screen. How does that feel?
Well, I was sitting on a giant stack of gold on the giant screen.
I remember that photo when I first started in the industry.
Well, we're trying to tell everybody that they should be getting some gold in their portfolio.
And such amazing energy today, right? With you being here and your photo on Times Square, which is a dream come true for so many people. Is that same energy still present in the gold space?
It's just beginning again. It goes through cycles and we're coming off the bottom, and I think despite the last few days, the trend is much higher.
Well, I want to ask you about that, Rob, because yesterday, Monday, was a tough day for gold investors. So what's your advice to people watching when we have days like that and they panic and think, is this rally ending? Is the euphoria ending? How do you master patience?
Step in and buy when you have that opportunity, because the momentum is building. Very few people own gold today, but they're going to want to own it tomorrow, and now's a good time to start.
How do you feel that momentum? Where is it coming from? What's driving it, Rob?
You're getting generalists coming along, going off in fire departments.
Sirens going off here.
The markets are coming down, but the generalists are starting to ask questions. I think once the broad market starts recognizing that in the last 3 years, gold has outperformed the Dow by 100%, and they say, how could this happen? It's not worth buying. I didn't think it had any value, but it's performing. And then you look at the stocks and they're doing much better than the metal.
And Rob, speaking about the miners, when are we going to see that next big gold discovery? What's taking so long?
We're finding one in Timmins. There are discoveries. I mean, Great Bear is a good story.
Yes.
The Golden Triangle in northern BC. I mean, these stocks they're 2x, 3x, 4x or more in the last year.
And you've recently acquired a pretty big position in Radisson. Why? What do you like about them?
I like their high-grade gold values. I like the timing. They were ignored in the market, and those are the conditions I like to invest in.
All right. Well, it's a big day for you here today. Congratulations again on being in New York City, in Times Square.
In Times Square.
And continued success. Rob McEwen.
Thank you, Danielle.
Thank you for having me here today. Thank you.